Hi, my YouTube loves. Okay, so today I filmed this look for you guys. It's this like green purple look. You'll kind of see some of the disasters I went through to make this look happen, but you know what, just let that inspire you and show you how any look can be solved. Any look can be saved. You'll see all the deets. For how I came up with this look, I used, I think mainly, at the end of the day, I think the actual colors that are on my lid are from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I did some mixing of the colors just to get the right formula. I think this look is perfect for any Halloween makeup tutorial. I think this really made me feel like mermaid vibes. So if you're gonna be a mermaid for Halloween, I think this would be a great look for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and all the deets are always in the description box. And if you have any requests or if you have any comments, just drop them down below. And just go ahead and you can always check out my Instagram, time_with_Brenda, and for Twitter it's just Time with Brenda, one word. Thank you for watching, and let the clips roll. Bye guys. Wet n Wild brush. Taking the Essence Color Correcting Liquid Concealer, and this is in the color Pastel Pink. Right now I've been switching between two concealer brushes, this one and this flat True Beauty Pro Concealer, and I'll show you. This is definitely, they're both like a patting motion to kind of press the product in. Now I'm taking the Shape Tape in medium. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and go in with that middle shade. Undereye. Wet n Wild Photo Focus pressed powder in my travel endeavors. That just kind of came off. But I'm just taking one of the Pro Powder True Beauty Pro Powder brush, and I mentioned this because if you haven't seen my other videos, I got this at TJ Maxx. We've got brows, we've got brows. I'm just taking this Milani Keep It Smooth Lip Balm. Well, it says lip treatment, but honestly, I don't think it does anything. So I wouldn't recommend it as a particularly nourishing lip treatment, but that is what it says. I'm just letting you know what I think. Okay. And taking our lovely Wet n Wild Creme Brulee eyeshadow. Starting with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just taking a Morphe R35. I'm going in with this fourth color. She does have this beautiful teal, so we're gonna go with that. This beautiful teal color right here.
just building.
Going with the Morphe M514, it just looks like this. I'm now going to take the shade right here. It's like between a blue and a purple. Sigma E34. Because I didn't like the way that one was.
I'm just kind of building this color up a little bit in the corner. But we're doing things here, fellas.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some purple into this crease or some red, because I feel like as I'm creating this look, I need more oomph happening here. Taking purple from the Lorac Pro Mega Pro 2, and I'm going to blend this in to my crease. This is what this palette looks like, and I just went in with purple. Not what I was doing at all whatsoever, but now that we're here, there's no turning back. Dark blue shade. This one right here.
Intensify that blue.
We've got a whole mess happening on our faces, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how we're going to transition it. I feel like you can always save a look, in my professional opinion. I'm going to take my Revlon Photoready Eye Art, and this one is in the shade Desert Daze, and it's the green one. I love these glitters, but also they have cream shadows, so I'm going to take this green cream shadow here.
Foot applicator. Yeah, and we do have some shadows. And that's what we're going to be using to help us with our little conundrum here.
Hey. And I just wanted to lay something down as a base, because now I'm going to take this color right here, this beautiful green.
Of that same cream shadow. Ooh. And this green is just very forest green compared to the original green we put on.
And maybe we want to add some more. Should we try it? I mean, we might literally just end up with chaos. But it might work out. So I guess we'll try it. So I'm just going to take this one right here. And, oh, look at that. Now we've got a purple going.
For me, that's all we have to do, just mix our two little colors. And now... I wasn't expecting that, for sure. I wasn't expecting that, but I do like it much better already. You know what we're gonna do? Literally only bring this into the crease.
And I'm going to highlight, so I'm just going to take this second color right here, which has a little tiny bit of a sheen to it. A few products I'm trying this month, one of which includes this little guy. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Skinny Slim Liner. So even when you have doubts, like, just try it. Like, just try it, because you really, honestly, like, you never know when things are gonna work out. I'm so excited about this look. Okay, I'm just taking this little pencil liner from my Waterline.
I didn't even have color to this.
I'm gonna go back in with that same, this was the shades I ended up mixing. This red right here and this blue. These two are the ones that gave me this, like, blown out purple.
Just adding the same combo.
So I'm just taking some Prime and what is it called? Fix Plus.
I'm just gonna try to add some. And I don't know if this is any more. A little bit. I guess it's a little bit more. And I guess after losing some color to the blending.
I'm just taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just take the two shades, these two right here. Oh, and by the way, this is a favorite Morphe E5. It really is a favorite of mine. It's like wide enough so that it's not just a line, but not wide enough that...
Oh, and by the way, this is a favorite Morphe E5. It really is a favorite of mine. It's like wide enough so that it's not just a line, but not wide enough.
And then for blush, I just kind of wanted to take it back just for a teensy weensy second and use the Jaclyn Hill Face Palette, and I'm going to go in with Amaretto. We want something kind of brownish because, you know, we don't want to clash with our eye look.
I love these eyes. Like, they're pretty dope.
Flush of color, and then for highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Fire Highlight, the R36, and I just wet it with some Fix Plus. This is really beautiful. I love this highlight. So getting my lashes going with the Essence Volume Stylist.
And of course, I don't think I can ever do mascara without getting it on my freaking eyeshadow. Ever.
I guess it really can't be a makeup look unless we get some fucking mascara somewhere. Using my brush to try to get that mascara out of the way. Although doesn't feel very good. And I'm also going to use that to kind of try to get some of this glitter out of the way, because I've decided this glitter was a bad idea. For lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Suede Matte Lip Liner in Stockholm, and the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in Stripped.
And I love it. It's very, like, nude. I guess it's peachy nude. Not nude nude. You see, this is like nude. With a brown undertone. See, this is the kind of thing that makes your lips disappear.
I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Anyway, so I was saying I just got my lashes on. These are the Nicole Guerrero Eyeliner collab. Now for our waterline, I'm just taking this NYX Emerald City waterliner, eyeliner. But now I'm just gonna set my face, and I'm just taking the Milani Make It Last. But that's it. I guess let me zoom out a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Thank you for spending the time with me. Make sure you go and take a look at my Instagram and Twitter. I'm gonna go ahead and be posting some pictures that I take after this. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, bye guys.